channel. Today I will be decorating this owl using the things which I am going to show. This pattern paper which I will use for the border, and these sequins I will use for decorating. So the dark pink will go where the dark pink is, light pink will go there and here and there. That's how I will do it. Using glue. So let's just start. So first I will be applying this glue on the place where I will stick the sequin. I'm applying only a little. So this part where I have applied the glue is yellow, so I will stick yellow sequins. First I will put some sequins over here, and then I will take one by one and keep it on the part where I have to keep them. So I think these would be enough. I'll use this glue nozzle to stick them. So I think this is enough, and at the places where I have left, there I have to stick this greenish type of color. So here I will keep that. Okay. Now here we have this light pink, and there I'm going to use this light pink color. Part is light pink, so I will apply light pink. I will stick light pink sequins. First, let me apply glue. Now I will stick the sequins. Now I will just dust off the excess. Sticking some more at some places. And again I will dust off. Okay, now it looks okay. Now I have to do the upper part here. So first there I will spread the glue properly away. Now I am doing dark pink. Now we have to take the pattern paper and we have to roll it, and we have to stick it to border. Now I have rolled it. Now I will apply this glue. I will make other 3 and show you. Now I have made other 3 also. Now we have to stick them. Now we can stick them on both sides like this. You have to make it even more shorter. Now it is perfect. Now we have to stick these two like this. These two like this. So now the owl looks like this. You can keep any ribbon like this and hang it to your wall. Yesterday I made one more, this one. So I made one green owl and also did the same on top. See? Now you can hang them both on the wall. Actually I got this in this box. It is actually a sequin art kit. So in that you will get these 2 owls and you can just decorate like how I did, and then you have to keep this frame. So this is how the sequin owls turned out. How are they, guys? They're so beautiful and colorful, right? So that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe. Bye!